Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Oh, there's cobwebs in there. How funny is it? Oh wow, look at that. That's the first time this season I got that going. Look at that. All the spiders went up in that pipe. Wow, that's a lot of spider. Anyway, we are heating up some water on the old wood stove so we can shower off-grid style. It's too warm inside and all the heat is out. The wood stove is out. My furnace is out. We got the windows open. It's another t-shirt day today, 71 degrees maybe. I just put that in minutes ago and it looks like it's already starting to steam. No, that's cold. I don't know where the moisture's coming from. We're gonna get I've got to go get another pot of water and we're gonna do it old-fashioned style. Well, not quite. We got a battery-powered shower that we're using, but we're using the outdoor wood stove again. First time this season. 2 pots. That's all we need. And we fill the water in a 5-gallon bucket and we take a shower. I'm pumping some heat out there now. The stove is leaky, but that's why it's an outdoor stove now. It's a leaky old thing, and it's worse now. Once it gets a good draft, maybe it'll straighten up, but I really don't care. It's an outdoor stove. That's all that matters. Free heat right there. Yeah, you can see the heat pumping out of that pipe. I've been hauling some firewood, and I come back and there's bubbles forming already. It's heating up fast. This is really efficient. All I hauled is 2 wheelbarrow loads of firewood, and that's heating up. You helping out? Yeah, you telling the camera? That's the camera. Yep. Michelle's helping me haul firewood. Oh, that's still heavy. Very heavy. Well, I hope it'll be ready next year. It's just so wet. Oh, it's heavy. Oh yeah, that's all very wet. Probably a good load right there. It's heavy. Oh yeah, that's heavy. Heavier than a pine by far. Melanie brought out some hot dogs and it looks like coconut oil. She's going to cook our dinner. We were going to use the the barbecue pit, but we decided to just do it right here. Already got heat. Those should be going to a vigorous boil soon. They're both bubbling. And I'm just hauling firewood while I keep this loaded with firewood. Yeah. Look at a whole meal going on here. Look at that. Is it hot here on this side?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
Well, I'm just heating it. So.
Yeah, it's working. It's steaming up. The water's taking a little bit longer. Now that it started to actually bubble, it slowed down. Or it's just me being impatient, maybe. But look at that. That's boiling right there. Look at, oops, she disturbed it. It was boiling. Well, anyway, it's all cooking. Cooking good. And it didn't take much firewood at all. Basically, I got it started, I filled it, and I haven't had to put anything else in. So it's pretty efficient. Might have to put more in to get our water heated. Look at that. We got
Want the vegetable?
chicken, and that was cooking hot. Look at that steaming. Got hot dogs, got rice, we got some vegetables. So we're gonna have a nice dinner. Talk to you guys later. Well, they're not coming to a boil, but we don't need boiling water for a shower. So I'm gonna go in and have a nice, cozy, comfortable, warm shower and let the wood burn out. I had to refill it one more time for in the middle of our meal, cooking our meal. So it was starting a fire and 2 refills to get a massive amount of water. Now these are going to be mixed in a 5-gallon bucket with cold water. Forgive me for not showing the shower scene. I think I'll spare you that. But a lot of you remember my off-grid solar-powered shower head that we use, the solar-powered camp shower. I just received an email. Anyway, that is what we're going to use. Maybe I'll show you later, and we'll see if I remember. I'm going to go in and enjoy it. Battery, power, bucket, shower head. That's all you're going to get. I'm going to enjoy. Talk to you later.